They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause they got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something.
How's it going today, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. Back on the CRF450, doing a little bit of stunt practice, just a little cruising, waiting for some more snow to melt. Kind of seeing what's dry and what's not, I guess. Here's some wheelies and stuff for you guys. Oh, a little rusty. Is windy, holy crap. Definitely not ideal. It's definitely warm, but just windy as hell. Careful, ground's probably still pretty frozen. It'll be nice once that sun comes out. Where's it at? It's a little cloudy today, that's all. Oh, that didn't sound good. See, told you I gotta be careful, it's slippery. Not bad for fourth. Kinda meant to be in fifth there, but oh well. I can't wait to gear this thing a little bit different. I'm gonna put a bigger sprocket on it. Damn wind. Brutal. See if we can get through some snow. That looks like a little area we could probably dip down and through. Gotta have a little fun in the snow still. Oh yeah, the lot's looking pretty melted off. Nice. Just dry the tires off a little and stuff. Okay. I guess it don't really matter if the tires are dry. I just want more or less the mud off of it. Oh, it's nice having the lot dry. Dry enough anyways, this little pool of water's nothing. Oh, I was working the brake on that one, let's go. Oh, now we got a bunch of mud again. My wheelies are definitely getting better. I can finesse that pretty good this whole stretch. I used to struggle to do this whole stretch of concrete. Now it's pretty good. Just cleaning the mud off the tires. Sound like a redneck. Hit my brake there. I need new brakes. They're kind of getting a little mushy on this thing. Just to be a good citizen. Throw this in the garbage. Ooh, she's going icy. Icy, icy, icy. People throwing carpet in there. Oh, icy! Holy, that front tire's just sliding. That wants to kick out so fast. Nope. I was gonna do a little burnout on it, but it literally just wants to literally go whoop, right out from underneath me.
I'm trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like whoop, like no, go do. What the fuck?
go in here. I don't want to tear up the grass. Kind of want to set my phone up, but I should have brought my tripod. I think I'm going to buy a drone, to be 100% honest. I think it'd be cool to be able to fly my drone up right now. As long as it's under a certain size, you're allowed to fly it without a special license or whatever, but fly up the drone and have it just kind of sitting up there while I'm doing my wheelies right here, that would be pretty sick. Let me know if that would be something you guys would be interested down in the comments below. Oh, I don't want to step in the mud here. Clean my shoes off. Sound like a bitch. I am going to just quickly check my recording because I'm having real big troubles with GoPro right now, and I cannot wait to change to DJI. I keep saying G. It's not what it is. Okay, everything looks good. Oh, kind of want to get staggered here. Just want to make sure. Clean the bottom of my shoes off there real quick. Oh, I am so happy it is spring. Oh my god. As much as I love snowmobiling, I really love warm weather. I really do. Riding bikes, chilling, like, I love bikes so much. And snowmobile is so just temperamental. Like, I can ride bikes as long as it's not raining too bad. I can ride bikes. That's the thing. Like, I can ride bikes year round. I'm guaranteed to have a season of bikes. Around here, I'm not guaranteed to have a season of nothing for snowmobiles. Like, we used to get really good snow, but now we just get nothing. It's ridiculous. But it's crazy how well I can talk when I'm just riding my bike as well. Like, when I'm recording these videos, I don't really stutter. I don't really mess up. But when I'm trying to record those like maintenance videos, stuff like that, I really do enjoy making them, and I like editing them, and they're really good, and they do really good. But it's just I flow so much better talking when I'm just cruising around on camera like this. Like, ultimately, this is what I want my channel to be. Like, I'll obviously sprinkle in some maintenance and all that stuff. Like, I love doing those stuff. I love educating you guys on that stuff too. But this is what I want to do for my channel, is ride the bike and record. Just, that's ideal. Oh yeah, those are not strong enough brakes. Hey, it's my mom. I think. Alright, I just had to talk to my mother for a second. Stop by and watch me wheelie a couple times. Absolutely awesome having a supportive family. Goes a long way. She's like, oh, I hate seeing that stuff, but it is cool. Which I can understand, 100%. From a mother's perspective, and a mother that has seen their son get hurt a lot of times. Like, I've broken ribs and broke my neck and a lot of things. Like, I've messed myself up a few times. But anyways, let's get back to the wheelies. Stop yapping, sorry. Let's get in tangents. I could yap and yap and yap all day, really. Let's try a staggered. Actually, no. Ooh, that was rough. That was ugly. We're gonna try that. It's better. Ooh, had to run that one out a little bit. That's okay. Just getting used to it again. Real nice. A little chase on that one. You can tell I'm a little more in the RPMs. It's not as clean. I'm a little more timid to drop back on those just yet. I'll get there. Oh, that's beauty. When you can just lock it in at that one spot and just it's nice. I like that. Okay. We'll do another one and then go for a little loop, cool the bike down. Oh, got a little too high in the RPMs there right off the bat. Oh well. Wonder which way the wind's going. I can't really, there's no tree leaves or nothing to see. No flag around. No. Look at that water flowing. Oh, don't want to go too deep in here. She's melting off real good. Nice. Let's see how far I can float a second gear wheelie, where I'm not restricted by lot. That was a bad start right off the get-go. Retry that. I know I'm not going to make it all the way out to the highway in second gear, so not yet anyways. Definitely a little run on that, but not as bad actually. It's pretty far. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Felt a little drop back on that one. Not terrible. I need to do more forearm workouts, more dead hangs. Learned that one from Brian636. He says dead hangs are the best, and honestly I can feel it. You can feel it just build your forearms. Now let's just go turn around. Just make sure he's not coming this way. That was pretty good. I was like bars turned there. Holy. Okay, I'm gonna see what we got going for time here. I don't want to run too long and then have to edit through a half an hour video. Try to stay within a time frame for now. Alrighty, we'll cruise around for a few more minutes. I'm at about 15-16 minutes worth of footage, which is about 10 minutes maybe-ish worth of actual video, because I kind of try to chop out a lot of the dead space because it's boring. I know I said I in one of my previous videos I said I don't do that, but I realized how much better it just keeps the pace of the video going, and it keeps the retention a lot higher too. I gotta think of that too as well, so let's try a staggered. I haven't tried one of those in a little bit. Not bad actually for a staggered. Definitely getting better at those. I used to suck at those so much. Skirt. Not too bad. Oh, I can't wait to put a stunt lever on this thing. That'd be kind of cool. Be able to control my rear brake from here and be able to actually stand up on my seat. It's New York style. Uh-oh. Why is my bike not going into a different gear? Uh-oh. That's not cool. Just blew my clutch. That'd be so shitty. There we go. Weird. Never had it lock in a gear before, actually. Okay. That was weird, actually. It was like stuck in first gear. Hopefully my transmission isn't bunging up inside. That'd be really not ideal. I've had to rebuild the transmission once on a bike and it is not fun. It clicked in a second. Ooh, got a little sideways there a little bit. That's okay. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. not back at all. I was like that, like, kind of scared of balance point spot. Kind of where I sat out for a really long time wheeling. Now I'm actually able to kind of drop her back just a bit. I can't wait to actually scrape fender. That'd be sick. Pump my brakes there on that one. I'm still just practicing rear brake control a lot too. The more you can get that rear brake, the better. I actually don't mind flat bottom shoes. Some people say they're really hard to stunt with, feel your brake lever with. I actually kind of don't mind it. You kind of just pivot it on the, pivot your foot on the peg. I don't know, I couldn't think of the word there. Oh, not going enough. That was ugly. I really need to wash this bike. This bike gets rode. Stomp her down. I need to get better at not doing that, because when I get back on the F4i, I've said it in another video too, but when I get back on the F4i, you kind of have to, here, I'll show you, kind of do this. And like throttle it out as you come down so that it's not slamming down. I don't know if that was a very good representation of it, but dirt bikes can handle a drop from being 12 o'clock. A crotch rocket is not, you know, made to be 12 o'clock right from the factory, so unless you're upgrading the suspension a bunch, it's just better to get used to throttling out. Just like this. See how I kind of throttled out of it still? They kind of just made that set down a lot easier. Okay, we'll do a couple more loops here. I want to throw my foot up one more time before the end of the video. That was kind of weak, but it's okay. It's okay. Zoom, zoom. Oh, EMS. You guys don't gonna come for me, it's okay. I wear my safety gear. Armored pants, really good jacket, specific riding shoes, helmet, good gloves with like really good palm protectors. Like, look at that, I've took a skid on that before. Alrighty, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been really putting in that effort. Like I say every video, I've been just non-stop grinded. I've been putting actually a piece of content out about every 1.5 days. So for the last almost a year, so I've been really putting in that grind, just really trying to make it happen, and it's the effort's really showing. So I really appreciate all the new subscribers and all the old ones and all the ones to come. So alrighty guys, I will talk to you later.